What floor are you going to?
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate that. And I was like, dude.
I actually heard this. You had this conversation with him in the bathroom.
It says it's going down, but we're going up.
Oh, we're probably.
There we go.
I heard it.
Yeah, it was interesting.
Yeah.
But,
I mean, he probably never had the pressure to be efficient then.
I don't know. It was interesting. And,
He has so much pressure to be efficient.
14.
I don't know.
All right. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, appreciate it.
These are going to be the mid-rise elevators here at the Wells Fargo Tower, Jacksonville, Florida. This is the last bank that has not been modded again. But I believe this bank is currently in the process right now. Here we are on 24. Alright, let's go down to 1. Here we go. Since we're in the express zone, I'm gonna get a cab view. They did not change the cabs on the cars that got modded again, so this cab's not going anywhere. But these unique and pretty rare fixtures will certainly be missed. Here we are on 1. Here we go. For a moment, I thought they all of a sudden just locked these. Actually, you know what? Stop on 23, if it's safe to get off there. Skips 21, huh? Unusual. Yeah, not getting off here. You know what? Go back down to 1. Still thinks we're going up. Alright, I'm gonna get off here. that'll be it.